Okay, whatever. It's the ball, it's putting me off.
Yeah, we're doing it now.
Okay. Watch out, Ryan Giggs. There's a new kid on the block. Abergele footballer James Davidson has but one goal in life: to play for Manchester United.
Faster.
Just so you can feel it across the top of your chest and the back of the arms.
Meter. 4. Head down. I'll pick it up.
Determination's always been my game, and I feel that I always throw myself 110% into the game. Manchester United have always been a part of my life, definitely, since I was a young boy.
Start off alright. End of the day, you've got to go faster. Got to be that one step ahead. He kept on writing to United, Alex Ferguson, the coaching staff there, about how good he is. And after about 6 years of him actually sort of sending all the stuff in, they've actually decided to give him a trial in a couple of weeks. 6.
7. Concentrate on that initial burst of energy to get you going. 8.
Think, marker, goal, bang!
Oh, the coach and the physio are great. They're always there for me. Andrew Hedge, the coach, he's a fantastic guy. We're great friends, and he drives me towards reaching my ambitions. Ross, I believe, has run the marathon a great deal of times, and yeah, he is a true superstar.
I've been a friend of Jim for quite a few years now. He's always been a good footballer. We've noticed that for a while, and since I've been going to university, I'm doing physical education. I thought I'd, help him with his training and stuff. See if I can get his physical fitness up a little bit to help with his footballing skills. It's all got to be balanced. It's got to have proteins, vitamins, lots of lentils, carbohydrates, not too much red meat.
Always leaving me alone. Don't care. Now that you're gone.
People who are trying to look out for him, there's always going to be disagreements. I know James thinks he'd be better off doing some things his way, but it's just trying to keep him on the straight and narrow. I like him to have an opinion. I like him to try something different, but as long as he sticks to what he's been told.
Coach has his ways of working things. He just makes me does what he wants me to.
We've had a few problems with James this morning. I think he went out last night. He's been prattling about a bit this morning, so what we're going to do is, Great Flintshire, we're going to go for a practice match this afternoon.
I can't foresee in the near future ever not playing for Manchester United. That's where my ambition lies. We've got a shrine here to the great Roy Keane. He'll throw himself into a game 128%, and that's something I want to get myself going towards.
Should we get back to the game then?
Together we are quite a creative force, and when you stick 3 people together like us, I think there's bound to be some sort of conflict.
I think
due
we get
to
the
the
best
strong
out of each other.
personalities within the group.
I think we get the best out of each other.
Yeah. As a group we achieve synergy, definitely.
They're good guys.
I want to play for Manchester United. Alex Ferguson, come and get me. Don't want to play for West Brom Albion. Don't want to play for Leicester City. Don't want to play for Tottenham Hotspur. Don't want to play for Brighton, no.
right.
Alex Ferguson, Sir Alex Ferguson.
You know, he's a strong-minded character and he knows what he wants, so sometimes it's hard to tell him what's best for him, but you know.
I wanna play for Real Madrid, and I don't wanna play for Bayern.
We're getting sick and tired of his whinging.
He's a coach and he's allowed these liberties. He gets me working.
Maybe I get a little walk-on part against someone like Derby or something, not so important game. Then I'll show everyone what I'm made of. And once I've done that, I want to win the European Cup. I want to win the FA Cup. I want to win the League Cup, and I want to go to Brazil, and I'm going to bring that trophy home.
Not only would it be a challenge for him to play for United of the highest degree, for me to get him up there would mean endless wealth.